Have you ever dreamed of going on the perfect vacation but felt overwhelmed by the endless planning? Well, what if I told you there is an ultimate do it yourself trip planner that can turn your dream into a reality? Welcome to Travopo, the one stop platform designed to revolutionize the way you plan your trips. Imagine exploring amazing travel destinations, finding the cheapest flights and hotels, and receiving personalized advice and details on how to book low cost travel options. Travopo is here to make it happen. So, how does it work? Just head to Travopo's website and click on Explore to discover the best places categorized just for you. Want a spontaneous adventure? Take a travel challenge by spinning the 3D glue, entering your name, choosing the region, and clicking Go. Boom! Travopo will reveal a random travel destination tailored to your preferences. But it does not stop there. Click on the guide section and you will find a treasure trove of videos, guides, and resources for the country, region, or city you want to explore. Now, let's talk logistics. Travopo's got you covered with the best tickets for your chosen destination. Sort them by time or the number of stops and find the perfect option that suit your travel style. Need a place to stay? Check out the scanner page where you will find detailed information on the best hotels available. With Travopo, you can book with confidence and enjoy your stay to the fullest. And before you head off on your adventure, make sure you don't forget a thing. Click on packing to access a curated list of all the necessary items you should carry while traveling. With Travopo, you will be prepared for any situation, ensuring a stress-free and unforgettable journey. So, are you ready to embark on the trip of a lifetime? Let Travopo be your AI-powered travel companion and turn your dreams into reality. Start planning today and experience the world like never before.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit aidemos.com.